In this video, I will show you how to copy Excel sheet to another Excel file with the same layout and format. So guys, we have data here. To create a workbook for this data, right click here, move or copy, and here you can select a new book and check this box, create a copy, and click on OK. So new book will be copied with the same format. We can see here book 4 and book 5, both data are same. And to create the if worksheet, so right click here. You firstly need some sheet here, so right click, more copy, and here select any sheet and check this box and click on OK. So we have the same data in the worksheet. So thanks for watching, and comment on this video useful for you.